to another brand highlight here with me, Marco Ciappelli. Today we're going to go in space, and we're going to especially look at the technology that is happening in space. I think there's a lot going on up there. So quickly introducing Jacob Flores, that is going to present Type 1 Venture to us. Welcome.
Thanks so much, Mark. Great to be here.
Yeah, so a little bit quickly about you and what's Type 1 Venture about?
Yeah, so I am a former engineer and product manager, worked for about 10 years across several industries before jumping into venture. And within venture, I focus specifically on AI, neurotech, and biotechnology. And I'm heading up our research department here at Type 1. Type 1 is focused on investing in the technologies that will advance us to be a multi-planetary, sustainable civilization. We're very proud to invest in both space companies and the terrestrial companies that ensure a prosperous future for us here on Earth.
Yeah, and I know you had an event in London not too long ago, because I already spoke to you guys about that one, and it was a lot of awards to innovators in technology and space, of course. So how do you guys pick the company and the product that you want to invest in?
Great question. We are picking the companies in our portfolio by assessing their fit in advancing our collective civilization to be Type 1. And so when we look at companies, we're looking for platform builders, people that are developing technologies that can be stacked on top of and cultivate new kinds of marketplaces, new capabilities, and really extending the reach of humanity, not just out into the stars, but also our ability to live longer, healthier lives and embrace new creative opportunities.
So it's not just about investing in something that it's going to make money, but actually investing in something that you believe in. Can you give me a couple of examples of the kind of industries that you are investing? Because I mean, in space, there is a lot going on. It's not just going around, right?
Yeah. So we're proud investors in several manufacturing in space companies. Because there is so little gravity in orbit, it's a great opportunity for developing materials or even bioproducts because there is a lot of surface area for you to print circuits or grow proteins. And these assets, even though they're developed in space, are actually very valuable down on Earth. And the platforms that these assets get developed within, they can translate across multiple products. So it isn't specifically just one kind of drug or one kind of semiconductor, but it could be pushing the frontier of material science. We're also looking at companies that are developing neurotechnologies that can enable people to see again or to move again if they've lost those abilities. We're investing in companies that are developing drug regimens that enable us to live longer. These are the kinds of things that we think are in store for everyone in the future. And there are big businesses to be made there, but they also are going to be the new foundation layer for an entirely new level of industry in the world.
And just out of curiosity, for those that don't know what Type 1 refers to, so disclose a little bit the name, the choice of the name.
Yeah. So it's kind of ironic because we're a venture capitalist firm, but the person that coined the term Type 1 civilization, Nikolai Kardashev, was a Soviet scientist. And the reason that he came up with this system of tiering civilizations into 1, 2, 3 is in thinking about our place in the stars. And if we were to ever come upon some alien civilization that had mastered its own ability to live on its planet and go to other planets, we'd probably need to see them higher up on that technical ladder than us. So that's kind of the background on the whole framework of a Type 1 civilization.
I love it. This is where reality and the future meet with the present, and sci-fi is becoming reality. So as we get to the end of our 5 minutes, about 5 minutes, and we can go a little bit longer, just so that you can share how people can get in touch with you guys if they have to pitch their companies or if there is something that is coming up as well on your horizon in terms of events or anything that you want to highlight.
Yeah. So please do feel free to reach out to any of us on the team if you're a founder or if you're a prospective investor that's interested in getting some exposure to the markets that I was talking about. You can find us on our website, you can find us on LinkedIn, and we'd be more than happy to talk about your company or your thesis as an investor. We have an event coming up in May in Japan that is part of our Frontier event series. And we'll be inviting founders and investors from around the world to explore what the frontier of technology looks like.
Wonderful. I can't wait to get in touch with you guys again and get an update on what's going on in space. So for everybody, Type 1 Venture, go and find out what they're all about. And this was a brand highlight here with me, Marco Ciappelli. Thank you very much, Jacob.
Yeah, thank you, Marco.